Okay, students, today we are going to discuss subset. So, what is subset? ये जो word होता है sub, the meaning of that sub is part of. Part of. So what is the meaning of subset? So, subset is nothing but the part of set. है ना? Part of set means it's a subset. For example, let us now consider we are given set A. Set A equal to 1, 2, and set B equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. So two given sets are there. Set A, the elements of set A are 1 and 2, and elements of set B are 1, 2, 3, 4. So here we can say that set A is the part of set B. Why? Because all the elements of set A are the elements of set B. Yes, all the elements of set A are the elements of set B. So here set A is the part of set B, and therefore we can say that A is subset of A is subset of set B. Then A is the subset of set B because set A is the part of set B. That means all the elements of set A are the elements of set B. So we can say that A is the subset of set B. So mathematically it is written as A, and this is the symbol which is used for the subset. A subset B. A is the subset of B. When A is not subset of B, we can write like this. When A is not subset of B, we can write like this. A is not subset of B. A is not subset of B. For example, if we consider set C. Set C elements are 5, 6, and set D elements of set D are 1, 2, 3, 4. So here we can say that set C is not the part of set D. All the elements of C are not the elements of set D. Here elements of C are 5 and 6. So here 5 and 6 are not the element of set D. Done. So set C is not part of set D. So we can say that C is not subset. है ना, सबसेट के ये सिंबल करना है, उसके बाद ऐसे क्रॉस करना है. सेट C is not subset of set D. Done. So this is subset. So now we can define subset definition. So how can I define subset? Here we have discussed that set A is the subset of set B. Why? Because all the elements of set A are the elements of set B. So if all the elements of set A are the elements of set B, we can say that A is the subset of B. So that is our definition. When all the elements of set A are elements of set B. When all the elements of set A are elements of set B, then A is called subset of set B, which is written as A subset B. Clear? Clear the definition of subset, students? When all the elements of set A are the elements of set B, we can say that set A is the subset of set B. So which is written as A subset B. द्रव्य वेरी गुड सर. टी मतलब द्रव्य. रिपीट करो. Part of, that means set A must be part of set B. All the elements of set A are the elements of set B. Here elements in a set A are 1 and 2. So here we can say that 1 and 2 are the elements of B. है ना? A के हर एक एलिमेंट सेट B में है. That means A is the part of set B. A सेट B का कोई पार्ट है. सेट B के अंदर ये A आ गया. है ना। सेट ये जो बी के एलिमेंट है उसके अंदर सेट ए के एलिमेंट है, सो वी कैन से दैट ए इज द सबसेट ऑफ बी। उसको मैथमेटिकली रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे ए इज सबसेट ऑफ बी। अगर एलिमेंट नहीं है, सपोज सेट सी एलिमेंट्स आर 5 and 6, so here 5 and 6 are not the elements of set D 1 2 3 4 ना। 5 6 यहाँ पर 1 2 3 4 में नहीं है, that's why C is not subset of D। clear? So from this we can conclude our definition, all the elements of set A are the elements of set B, so we can write A is a subset of B। clear? Now we'll discuss some important points regarding this subset। so if we are writing A is subset of B, so what is the meaning of A subset B? All the elements of set A are the element of set B। that means A के अंदर कोई भी element होगा वो element B के अंदर होगा। so therefore we can write if A belongs to A, small a is one element है ना। if A belongs to A, अगर कोई element हमारे पास है जो set A के अंदर है और set A is the subset of set B, therefore we can write or we can say that our A is also belongs to B। why? एलिमेंट ए सेट ए के अंदर है, A is the subset of B, that means all the elements of A are the elements of B। तो A का एलिमेंट है तो A B में भी होगा, and that's why we can say that A belongs to B। done? This is our first conclusion। second conclusion, if A is subset of B and B is subset of A, what is the meaning of this? All the elements of A are the elements of B and all the elements of B are the elements of A, so which double implies means if and only if है ना। this is called double way implication, that is the if and only if two elements or we can say two sets are equal। if two sets are equal then we can say that A is a subset of B or B is a subset of A। for example, suppose we are having set A, elements are A B C। suppose we are having set B, the elements are B A C, so here we can say A is a subset of B because all the elements of A are element of set B, yes। also we can say that B is the subset of A, B is the subset of A, yes। why? because all the elements of set B are the elements of set A, yes। so here A is a subset of B and B is a subset of A, है ना। दोनों सेट एक दूसरे के सबसेट है, तो ऐसा कब पॉसिबल होगा? when both sets are equal। here you can see that both sets are equal, so whenever the both sets are equal we can say that B is a subset of A or A is a subset of B। double implication is there, so we can also say that if A is a subset of B and B is a subset of A, we can write A is equal to B। clear it is? third important point, every set is subset of itself। every set is the subset of itself। for example, set A is there, so A is the subset of itself। कोई भी सेट है वो खुद का सबसेट होगा। for example, suppose you are having set A equal to 1 2, so we can say that 1 2 is the subset of 1 2, yes, because all the elements of A belongs to 1 2, है ना। कोई भी सेट है वो खुद का सबसेट होगा क्योंकि 1 2 में होगा, so A is the subset of A, every set is the subset of itself। सिंपल। फोर्थ इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट इज, जैसे हमने यहाँ पर लिखा एवरी सेट इज द सबसेट ऑफ इटसेल्फ, नेक्स्ट वन इज एम्प्टी सेट और नल सेट, तो उसको हम वॉइड सेट भी बोलते हैं, वॉइड सेट। एम्प्टी सेट, नल सेट, वॉइड सेट is सबसेट ऑफ एनी सेट, है ना। आप नल सेट ले लो तो कोई भी सेट का सबसेट होगा। सपोज सेट ए इक्वल टू 5 और हम इसको ऐसे भी लिखते हैं या फिर ऐसे भी लिखते हैं, है ना। तो null set is the subset of all the sets। we can write like this, this is the part of the set 1 2 3 4, है ना। null set is the part of all the sets। definition of subset is it's a part. So null set is a part of all the sets. So we have to keep this point in the mind that empty set is a subset of any set. empty set is a subset of all the sets. अब कोई भी set उठा लो तो जो empty set है वो उसका subset होगा. Done. And the last important point regarding this subset is if we are given A is subset of B. A is subset of B means all the elements of A are the elements of B. And if A and B are not equal set, है ना, A के हर एक एलिमेंट B में है, जो केस यहाँ पर कंसिडर किया था, सपोज A इक्वल टू 1 2 एंड सेट B इक्वल टू 1 2 3 4. टू सेट्स आर नॉट इक्वल सेट. इक्वल सेट की डेफिनेशन सबको पता है ना, द नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स और सॉरी each elements must be equal. So here 1 2 elements are there, here 1 2 3 4 are there. So A and B are not equal set, दोनों equal नहीं है. And A is the subset of B, और A B का subset है. So whenever A is subset of B and A and B are not equal, so at that time set A is known as proper subset, है ना. It is the proper subset. इक्वल नहीं होने चाहिए. यहाँ पर देखो, यहाँ पर आपको ऐसा लग रहा है कि सर every set is the subset of itself, so A is the subset of itself. So here A is subset of A and A and A both are equal, so this is not proper subset. Here again ABC and ABC, A is the subset of B and B is the subset of A and B both are equal, so here A and B neither are proper. Here A is known as proper subset of set B because A and B are not equal, है ना. इसका प्रॉपर डेफिनेशन यहाँ पर ऐसा हुआ कि A is the part of B ना, A इसका प्रॉपर पार्ट है, इसके इक्वल टू नहीं है. So A is known as proper subset and the larger set B is known as superset. superset है ना, ये इसका मेन सेट है बड़ा वाला, और ये जो A है उसका सबसेट है. So A is known as proper subset and B is known as superset. Clear? Again revise it. We have discussed certain properties of subset. First we have discussed if A is the subset of B, that means all the elements of set A are the elements of set B. So we can say that if any element lies in a set A, अगर कोई भी एलिमेंट सेट A में होगा तो वो एलिमेंट सेट B में भी होगा क्योंकि A B का सबसेट है. डन. Second point, if A is the subset of B and B is the subset of A, if 2 points are subset of each other, then we can say that the both sets must be a equal set. Then and then it will be possible. Third, every set is the subset of itself. That means set है वो खुद का subset होगा. Suppose set A, तो set A is the subset of set A. Suppose कोई set B होगा, so we can write B is the subset of B. Done. Similarly, empty set is the subset of all the sets. And third one, that is the definition of proper subset and superset. Proper subset means it must be a proper part. So A is the subset of B and A and B are not equal. So if A is the subset of B and set A and B are not equal set, for example, these are the two sets. Here A is the subset of set B. So that smaller set is known as proper subset and that larger set is known as superset. Clear? Students, इसमें किसी को कोई डाउट?